In this video, we'll show you how to find, create, and assign collections on Epic. Click Explore to find books and videos recommended by grade level for the subjects you will be teaching. You can also search by author, title, or keyword. Browse collections of books and videos created by other educators like you by selecting Collections. Add any community collection to your library by clicking the heart icon. You can assign the collection to students right away. You can also edit the collection and share with other educators in our Epic community. You can add books and videos to create a new collection by tapping the heart icon. You can choose to make your collection public so that other educators can access it. You can also add books and videos to any of your existing collections listed on the sidebar. Once you've finished adding your books and videos, click Assign to share a collection with students. Your students can begin reading the collections you've assigned them by logging onto their profile and checking their notifications.